Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here, and as we start this first week together of affirmations, I want to remind you that real confidence doesn't come from the outside, it grows from the inside. This week's focus is on building that inner belief, choosing to see your potential even when you can't see the whole picture yet. There will always be reasons to doubt yourself, but today, we're doing something different. We're choosing faith over fear and courage over comfort. So right now, take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale slowly. Let's center your mind, open your heart, and speak life back into yourself. Because belief truly begins within. Your strength doesn't come from outside approval. It begins right here, within you. You already have everything you need to start. You're equipped, capable, and ready. You don't need permission to shine, only the confidence to begin. As your coach, I want you to remember, belief is a decision, not a feeling. Even when you doubt rises, choose belief again and again. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create your moment through action. You're not behind. You are growing in the exact season meant for you. Your progress is proof that you're becoming stronger. Now take one more deep breath with me, and together, let's affirm this truth. I believe in who I'm becoming. Say it again, slowly, with power. I believe in who I'm becoming. That right there is your reminder for the week. Confidence starts with belief, and belief starts with you. This is Coach Steph, reminding you that your best season begins when you believe in yourself. Stay focused, stay faithful, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for listening.